Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to set your speed light, how to set your camera speed light. As you can see, this is a speed light which is capable of brightening your picture and erasing shadows. This is the model of this one, is called MEC. This MEC is specialized for Nikons, mostly Nikons because it doesn't work with Canons and other camera. You see it is made in China. You see MEC speed light. The model number is MK952, which is 11. Today I'll be walking you through step by step on how to set your speed light. As you can see, the speed light is flexible. You can bend it to the extent and you can equally make it straight. If you check it out vividly, it also have numbers. We have 45 degree, which you can make it this way. We have 60 degree, you can make it this way. We have 75 degree, of which you can make it completely straight. On this ground, it blows to the atmosphere. If your picture is not that bright, you can bend it more depending on the ground that you are taking the pictures. If you check it out from this speed light, I'm going to start by putting it on. If you check this place very well, it's on and off. I put it on by long press. So if you wish to test it, you click here, you see it blinks. Use the pilot, it keeps blinking. So from this one, I set my own flash to 1/1 because this is the highest radiant it can give to my camera. So I prefer 1/1. So you can choose any other thing. But if you want to set your camera, if you check this place, the first button is showing you the what? It's showing you pilots. This light is showing you that the speed light is ready. And this mode, on this mode you can choose which one you prefer. So if you press the mode now, it will give you a figure. Then 1/8. Then you use navigator key. You see? It keep going. 128. Keep going. 64. That is 1/64. Keeps going. 1/32. But on this occasion, your picture is going to be dark. But if you use 1/1 or 1/8, your picture is going to be very nice and the picture will be very bright. So if you check it out, on this place you can zoom. That is, you come to this place, you can zoom the image you are about to take. At this very ground, it's on 70 mm, which is the one I'm using currently. You can choose anyone you wish by going. You can choose anyone you wish by using the zoom. And this place, I've said it earlier, is on and what and off. So don't forget, these navigators key are the one that to increase the figures of the number you want or to decrease the figures of the number you want. This is the positive on this navigator key, and this is the negative on this very navigator's key. And if you press this place, this is called what we call the settings. Let's see now. If you press your zoom and you want to set it up, it start blinking. The moment you start blinking, that is, you can maneuver, you can work on it. Then if it start blinking, okay, you can check it out. If you touch your zoom, it will start blinking. The moment you start blinking, you can now what? Increase it. You can see now it's in 85, still blinking. You can see now it's in 105, still blinking. You can see now it's in 135, still blinking. You keep going until you get what is suitable for you. Until you get what is suitable for you. Then let me take it back to mine. Mine is what? 70 mm is what I'm using for my zoom. So if you check it out, let me take you back to the mode again so that I can easily understand. If you check out the mode, my SI is 1/1 because I like that. It makes my picture bright and it will erase those unnecessary shadows. But if I wish to increase it, I keep using the navigator key. You see? I keep using the navigator key until I get what I really want. So this is a kind of simple way to set your speed light for your better picture. If you like this picture, if you like this tutorial, if you like this training, please do subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.